The software installation for the DYMO 450 LabelWriter Twin Turbo is straightforward and fast. It's important to remember to install the software before you connect the Twin Turbo to the PC. Insert the CD-ROM in the drive. The autoplay window will appear. Click on Run dls8setup.exe. Close all other applications and click Next. Click I agree to accept the license. Select the recommended Express installation. If this is a new installation, connect your printer now. The device driver installed successfully. Click Finish. Double-click on the DYMO icon. Click Help and click Check for Updates. No new software updates found. Your software is up to date. Click OK. DYMO's visual tools are very intuitive and the whole user interface is laid out well. Let's get started with an overview of the layout and basic tools.